Once again, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen how we can execute this application from Chrome browser. Similarly, you can execute on Edge also, but now in this video, I am explaining you how to execute on desktop. So click here. Remember that if you are using Windows, then Visual Studio Tool, that is must here. Visual Studio Tool plugin is required. If it would not be installed, then this option would not come. So I have already fulfilled the requirement of Flutter Doctor. So if you have installed all the application required by Flutter Doctor, then this option will available. Click here. This time this application will execute on desktop on Windows. So it's showing building Windows application. You see that Windows application is coming here. Again, if you click here and you have the same output. Now this is the executable file, exe file. Remember that where this file is available. This file is available here, and you see that if you go to window, then we have a runner, we have a debug. Here we have a demo.exe. This file is there. If I go to the browser here, I say open in Explorer, and you will see that this demo file is there. If I double click here, so same I have here also. You see, same application is available, and DLL file is there, and data which is required here, this is also available. And remember that for executing this application in Windows platform, it required C. So you see everything is here. Under this we have a Flutter file, Flutter, you can say H file, heading file, CCC file here, and we have runner also that have CPP file, means C++, and header file, runner file. This is the runner that try to executing this. So every code is written in C programming or C++ programming language. Remember that. So with the help of C++ or C language, we are executing this in Windows platform. So these library is a part of Visual Studio tool. That was the part of Visual Studio ID that was created by the Microsoft. But nowadays we are not using those ID. So here in Android Studio, if you want to create a desktop application, then you require this. So like that way, you can also create your application on different platform by using Flutter. So you can see that how Flutter is a single code base platform to build application for different platform, like for Android, for Mac OS, for iOS, for Linux, for you can say other browser also, Edge browser, Chrome browser, or anything, anywhere you can run a Flutter application. It's a very you can say powerful and versatile programming language. It's an optimized programming language. So that's all here, and and in the next video I will explain you the fundamental basic of these, how this program is written. One by one we will also learn all the widgets available in Flutter, and how the program is executing in Flutter we will see from the basic, from the root. So that's all here. Thank you for watching this video.